Well, here we go again. This is my second Takom Jeep that I've converted into the SAS Raider Jeep. I thought that I needed two, just because there seemed to be a lot of them. They went out on their raids. I again went to Sol or SOL, I'm not sure how the manufacturer goes with it, for the upgrade kit. This is one of two that they have. I like the first one better as it had more photo etch, including the traction pads. I decided to paint and build and do the accessories first, just to see how I was going to load the Jeep. I won't go into a lot of detail on how the construction went because you can refer to my first video and see the details of that. The motor, quite nice. I added the spark plug cables to add a bit more detail, although nobody will ever see it. This is the model before I dusted it up and added the rest of the crew. The Sol figures are quite nice as well. Although the price is steep, I think that they're well worth it. The Aber upgrade for the 50 caliber was quite nice, made of brass. And here you can see the model fully dusted up, loaded with crew and sitting next to my other one. I slightly converted a couple of the figures to be different, adding officers' caps to some of them, which I took from some German figures that I had and wasn't using. All in all, I was pleased and enjoyed building a second one. And here it sits in its IKEA shoebox display case with a SAS pin I found off eBay. Thanks for visiting. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you for my next build.